If you're single and feeling the pressure to settle down, well, this video is for you. Allow me to tell you that why being single is actually not a weakness you have, it's actually a superpower. Let me break it down to you. If you don't know who you are, without this relationship, then we have some work to do. If you can't sit alone in silence without actually just looking at your phone and just enjoying the silence that you hold, well, we have to talk, and this is what we're doing. Your partner is not automatically, will complete you. He's not there to do that. He's not here to fill that void or fix you or your problems. He's there because, well, you want to be together. You want to share that life together and build on something, and that's much greater than what we have to achieve and what our plans are. And we have to do it together. Second, we don't have to be in a relationship just to be, in the sake for the sake of it. Let me explain it to you. How many times have you actually been friends or been in a relationship just because we were lonely? I have, so I have to be honest with all of you. And how many times has that relationship ended in a complete disaster all the time? Why do you think that is? Well, if your relationship is there because of a need, and your partner is, we have these expectations from our partner to always be there, to actually serve us, or, to actually just think and know whatever we are feeling in the moment and always say the right things. But in the whole process, we forget that who are these partners? Well, they're people. They're equally flawed. They're also trying to figure themselves out. They are trying to grow. वो भी सेम ही कंफ्यूजन से चल रहे हैं जिसके साथ हम हैं. Then where's this pressure coming from? अगर हमारी relationship out of desperation है, then it will always end in disaster. But if it's just a want that we have and we want to be like, right now I'm fulfilled, and if I get this, it's going to be great. And if I don't, well, I need to work on myself still because I need to thrive with or without a relationship. और मुझे ये misconception समझ नहीं आता जो लोगों का है that single people are always looking for love. I don't actually think so because I feel like individuals have their own values, their own dreams. For example, what about you? If I ask you what are your core values, or if you like pineapple on a pizza and you have just denied yourself of that fact because, people judge when we actually order a pineapple pizza. But it's something you like, it's something you want. Your partner shouldn't be, or your relationship shouldn't be a place where you feel judged. And if that's the kind of relationship you're getting, well, it's not healthy. Because you need to be in a space where you feel secure, where you feel loved, where you feel respected. But how would you know all of these things अगर हम ये खुद अपने लिए आंसर नहीं करें? That what is respect to you? What is, a relationship to you? What is a healthy relationship to you? What is a partner? What can he do or she do to make you feel loved? What can they do to actually make you feel more secure? Or, the things that we would want them to know and we want their help, in the process to heal ourselves. They're not here to fill a void. They're here to not complete you. And no matter how many times we try it out, it will end up in a complete disaster. Because you're not in that relationship for the right reasons. Understand the reason why you want to be in a relationship. Is it because you don't want to feel lonely? Well, अगर हमारा partner हमारा only source of happiness है, what happens when they go on a trip? Or what happens when they go to work? Or what happens when they take a nap? What then? Exactly. We don't know. We need to understand it is a mere responsibility to understand who we are with or without this relationship. To actually respect the individuals that we are. To respect our independence, our individuality, and everything that we want to work for us, not for anything else. A healthy relationship is never built on codependency. It's actually built on absolute, respect and love and share and a lot of empathy that you pull for each other. These are the things, if you're not getting, well, it's great that we're single, right? Because we're still thriving. And if we get a partner, if we, meet somebody in the process, nothing like it. It's like, सोने पे सुहागा, like it. But अगर ये नहीं भी मिला, then we're not gonna settle. We're gonna wait till that time the right relationships come along the way. But before that, the first relationship is with you. So before you say I do to somebody else, say I do to yourself now. What are you waiting for? Your singlehood and that feeling of just being lonely from time to time, it is actually an opportunity for self-growth, only if done right. Ask yourself the right questions, understand Why are you feeling the way you are? What are you not able to give yourself in the process? What do you expect other people to do for you that they are failing to do? And how can we communicate our feelings to the other person so that we don't feel like this, or we respect our own boundaries in the whole process? If you don't take care of yourself, then who will? And if you still have those nosy relatives who are telling you to just settle down, and just because you're waiting for love and you're being too choosy, send them this video, send them this link. And if you're there thriving, growing, well, just comment on thriving. I'll see you next time. Bye.